Hello friends, this is your host Sunil Kakani coming with the view on Nifty and Bank Nifty for 2020. Now before we give our view on Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow, let's see what happened today and what we predicted yesterday. Yesterday we informed that Nifty has support at around 12,800 levels and Bank Nifty had support at around 29,000 level. That was the final support level. However, due to the news of coronavirus research in US, there was a lot of profit booking in US markets yesterday. And same profit booking happened in the Indian markets today. So our view on Nifty and Bank Nifty still continue to be positive, and we maintain this view as this is a small correction. Yesterday in our video, we have mentioned that RSI for both the index are overstretched and presently hovering near 80, and hence the correction has to come. So going forward for tomorrow, what we expect from Nifty and Bank Nifty. आज निफ्टी की जो क्लोजिंग आई है इट इज़ एट अराउंड 12,771 which was 166 points down from the previous close. So Nifty ka first resistance for tomorrow will be at around 12,875 and the second resistance will be at around 12,960 levels. The support for Nifty continues to be at around 12,650 and 12,550. Both these support levels are extremely strong support and we don't expect that this will break. हमें बहुत ही पक्का विश्वास है कि 12,650 और 12,550 का जो सपोर्ट लेवल है ये स्टैंड करेगा और निफ्टी इसे नहीं तोड़ेगा. सी निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी दोनों में इतनी बड़ी रैली आई है लास्ट एंटायर नवंबर मंथ में. सो ये छोटी मोटी करेक्शन तो लाजमी है. अब हम अगर बैंक निफ्टी की बात करें, बैंक निफ्टी की आज की क्लोजिंग आई है 28,900 विच वॉज अराउंड 846 पॉइंट्स डाउन फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस क्लोज. बैंक निफ्टी का फर्स्ट रेजिस्टेंस लेवल फॉर टुमारो दैट इज 20/11/2020 is at around 29,275 and the second resistance, the final resistance level, it is at around 29,600. further निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी का जो सपोर्ट है, सपोर्ट कंटिन्यूज एट अराउंड 28,400 एंड 28,100. हमें नहीं लगता कि आने वाले दिनों में दैट इज़ टुमारो बीइंग द लास्ट डे ऑफ द वीक ये 28,100 और 28,000 का लेवल बैंक निफ्टी में टूटेगा. द बायस ऑन बोथ द इंडेक्स कंटिन्यूज टू बी पॉजिटिव. नाउ what new on this channel, as we promised yesterday that coming Sunday there will be two important stock picks that will give, which will have a great potential in few months to come and will give a great return. So stay tuned for Sunday's video, and this will be a definitely win-win pick. However, as I mentioned earlier and as I always mention, that stock market is subject to market risk, and so before investing or taking any trade, you should take advice from the financial advisor. So once again, I repeat my level for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and if you trade at this level, you are definitely going to earn a lot of profits, as this level are very strong support and resistance level and it never breaks. So the levels for Nifty, as I mentioned, the first resistance is at around 12,875 and the second resistance is at around 12,960. Similarly, the support continues at around 12,650 and 12,550. In Bank Nifty, the levels that we speak is resistance. First resistance is at around 29,275 and the second resistance is at around 29,900, and for the support it's at around 29,400 and 28,400 and 28,100. If I have to speak about few sectors in this video, I think IT has done a lot of consolidation and it's time for them to start its up move. So I maintain a bullish view on IT. If you see stocks like Coforge, Wipro, TCS, all are about to finish its consolidation and ready for its up move. So keep an eye on the IT index. This would be the next index to break out. Thank you very much. And last and one request, please do subscribe to our channel, hit like button and share this video as much as possible so we can increase the number of our family and this video is reached to large number of public, large number of people, and they are benefited from this level. Thank you very much. Stay tuned for our next video on Sunday with 2 important picks. Thank you.